Hey everyone, good afternoon. My name is Suresh, and today's my our topic name is polymorphism in Java. So let's talk about this topic in details. Before going to polymorphism, we know the OOPS concept. Um, OOPS is nothing but OOPS is the core concept of the object-oriented programming. It's a paragram where the object and classes are used. Then there are the main four pillars of the object-oriented programming system. The two pillars are used for the code security and the pillars are used for the code reusability. The the code security includes the abstraction and polymorphism, and the code reusability includes the inheritance and polymorphism. So in this session, we only talk about the polymorphism. Then let's talk about this polymorphism in details. The first of all, what is the polymorphism? The polymorphism means the perform of single task in different ways. Uh, let's talk about. Let's take an example. Suppose a man act as a worker in company, and the man is also act as a son in house, and this man can also act as a father in their house. So at the same time, the man can perform a different task. So this is the real world example of polymorphism. Then let's take another example of polymorphism. So, we know the water. The water act as a solid in in um, solid state in ice. This water act as a um, liquid in water, and this water also act as a vapor in sky. So this water can perform a different task at the same time. So these are the real time example of the polymorphism. Then this polymorphism can be divided into two types. The first is the method overloading, and the second is the method overriding. The method overloading, uh, um, this polymorphism can be divided into types. The first is the compile time polymorphism, and second is the runtime polymorphism. The compile time polymorphism is also called as the method overloading, and the runtime polymorphism is also called as the method overriding. So let's talk about this concept in details. The first, we only talk about the method overloading. So what is the method overloading? The method overloading means the class which is having the same method name, um, but different in parameters and within the class. The parameters should be interchanged, means the sequence of the parameter should be changed, or the type of the parameter should be changed. So let's take a real time example of the method overloading. For example, calculator. A calculator can have the multiple methods like add. Suppose we can add the integer value, or integer double value, and double value. So at the same time, the parameter should be different in method overloading. Then next concept is the method overriding. So what is the method overriding? The method overriding is the concept of polymorphism. Means the same method name which is having the same number of parameters but different in class. So this is the concept method overriding. So why we where we use the method overriding? Let's take a simple example of the method overriding. Suppose we have a class animal, and another child classes having the cat and dog, and we have the method like sound of the animal in animal class. So By using method overriding, we can get the method, override the method in dog and cat class also, and we write our own logic in that class, in that cat and animal class. So this is the real time example, and where we can use the polymorphism. So this is from my side. I hope you understand what I am telling. Thank you.